What's up, everybody? You're watching Rookie to Pro FRS, and I'm your driver, Lovens President. So I just got some great news. I got confirmation that the tires are shipping in today. I can't wait to see them, and once they come in, I'm gonna get them mounted onto the wheels. I still didn't get a chance to test fit the wheels on the car, but I'll do that, most definitely. Once everything is A-OK, I'll make sure I order the other two wheels and get the car rolling. And just to give you guys a size comparison, these are the stock wheels, of course. Not bad, not bad. These are the Apple One wheels. Yeah, they're not lightweight wheels, of course, but I can't complain. It's the styling that really sold me on it. I got tires. Oh yeah, these are wide, guys. Look at that. And there goes the wheels back there. So I'm about to go and get them installed right now.
This is the smartest way to do it.
Yeah.
And it's the least invasive to the wheel, too. See, if you use this properly, you literally don't even need a bar. So there's no marks on the wheel from where the bar is, and there's no chance of like bringing it over and putting a gouge or an impression in the aluminum. And then, as it gets closer to seating, you can bring that up to alleviate the stress, and you keep bringing it around. No bar.
That's perfect. Yo guys, you guys see it for yourselves. It looks incredible. I know it's my opinion, but I'm just so happy how it turned out. Months of doing my research to find the perfect wheel, and I think I found it for my FRS. I still don't have it mounted on the car yet, but the weather's getting better and I'm planning on doing that real soon. So stick around for that. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.